Come test drive the 2023 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, remote start, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.